Okay, I think that's done a reasonable job. Look how clean that is. That is fantastic. The window cleaning robot is available on AliExpress, and you'll find the link to it in my video description, so make sure you click over there. Today I'm going to attempt to use this new window cleaning robot. Now there's so many windows in this house and too many kids touching them, so hopefully this alleviates or helps me with the task of cleaning all those windows. So it comes in this box, everything in there. I'm just taking everything out. It comes with two of these ring holders, which you put the covers on them, the wiping fabric. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 included on here, so you get 10 of those. On the underside here, it came with 2 already, and there, that just basically goes around the ring and you pop it on. And we have a safety hook here so it doesn't fall if the power goes out. This is a 24 volt AC to DC adapter, okay, and it's charging now, but it needs power to run, but it has a backup battery, so if the power gets disconnected, it still sticks to the glass for about 20 minutes. So as I understand it, when you put this on the glass, it has suction and it does its cleaning business and all that. So I'm excited to try that out. And yeah, so you've got to be near a power point. It's got quite a long cord. I'll show you that later. Another use case to use a portable power station. Okay, and you do get this little bottle, okay. They say to put a little bit of dishwashing liquid in it, detergent. And they do suggest in the manual to do, well, it's a bit hard to understand the manual because it's kind of like translated English. But from what I've seen from people online, you need to do a dry wipe first. The first time you wipe without spraying water. So this basically removes all the surface debris. And then you spray some water or detergent on here. And then you do the cleaning stuff. Oh, and you do get a remote, but I'm just going to see what it does in automatic mode, and then we'll look at this in detail a bit later. Okay, the green light is on, so I assume it's fully charged. So what we're going to do, we're going to stick it onto the window. See if I can do this one-handed. Alright, it's stuck on the window, and I think we got to push the button. Hold the button. Yep. Hold it in once. And I think that suctions it on, and we push it again to get it to start. There we go. It's going to do it automatically. This is awesome. So I'm doing this dry at the moment, that's what it says. I didn't bother securing it because it's not very high anyway. As you can see, the window is dirty from the outside, but we'll let this finish. I'll loop you in once this is finished, and we'll do the detergent bit. Okay, it beeps when it's finished, and it stays in a spot where it's finished. So I guess you can use the remote to move it if it's on a balcony or outside where you can't reach it. So what I'm going to do is turn it off. I'm going to hold this carefully. The suction comes off. So make sure you hold it. There we go. So now I'm going to take these off and then put another pair on that are wet. So I'm having a wet and a dry one. Okay, they're the dry ones. This is the wet one, and it says to spray a little bit. do that, and then we'll put it back onto the window. And now it's got a bit of wetness on it. You can definitely see it sliding down a bit more because it's a bit wet. We'll let that run, and I'm really looking forward to doing the outside bit, see if it makes a big difference. Okay, we're now outside. Let's give it a go. This is what it looks like from the other side. So you can see kind of all the water markings there. So I'm doing the dry one first. It says to do the dry one because otherwise it'll just be really muddy. So this might just get the surface stuff off it first. And I did notice after a while, the motor started smelling funny. It might just be because it's new plastic burning smell. I don't know. And yeah, what do you call it? The securing line. That's if you're, yeah, I probably could secure it up there, but it hasn't got much to fall down. And when it falls anyway, it's going to bang against the walls and stuff. So if you were doing like really high-rise stuff, then this would be pretty good as well. Like if you lived in an apartment building, you could do the other side of your balcony glass. That's when you'd probably want to use it. Okay, it's just fallen off. Let's go have a look. Let me pick it up. Okay, I think I dinged it a little bit. Nothing bad though. A little ding there. Any more dings? A little ding there. It's not too bad. Yeah, I have secured it now, so let's try again. Okay, fell over again. I think the problem is perhaps the cord's rubbing up against the brick and pulling it off the window. Anyway, I'll get it out. Okay, I've put it back up and I've now put the wet wipes on. And I think it's actually doing quite a good job. We'll wait till it goes a bit further down. And because it's falling down, I think that's one reason why we should use the remote. And change the style or stop it. I'll put some batteries in it and I'll show you how it works. Okay, I've got batteries in it now. So this mode here does climb to the top and then automatic clean. This one's auto clean from right to left. It's just funny because it says left there. Auto clean from left to right. Let's see if I can pause. Ah, it pauses. Awesome. And now it's resuming. It does seem to have removed some of those watermarks, as you can see. Wait, I'll loop you back in once we get further down. I have a better idea if it's actually done that. Now the problem with it falling off here all the time is because this hasn't got a very big frame, so it can't really tell if it's the end of the window, especially down here. So as soon as it gets knocked off, it falls off. So it's got a few battle scars on it now, as you can see. But I've just done another spray of it because I want the bottom to be a bit cleaner. I'll show you from the other side. Okay, I think that's done a reasonable job. Look how clean that is. That is fantastic. So I guess the remote does come in handy here. I've learnt my lesson. Stop it before it gets too low there. So unless you know for sure that you supervised it long enough, use the remote to stop it or secure it. I was too brazen and set this up like a cowboy. But still working, just got a few battle scars. Okay, as you can see, all those watermarks have gone. So yeah, would I recommend this product? Yes, for less than 100 Australian dollars, it does the job. Just be very careful about it because as you saw, it's fallen a couple of times. Be alright for inside the house because if you got carpet and stuff like that, it's not going to damage it too much, but mine kind of hit the brick here and left some battle scars, but apart from that, that was pretty awesome. This is what happens when the power is taken off. It still has some power to keep it on the window in case you lose power. And just a bonus video for those of you that stay towards the end. I've done a lot of windows in the house now, and I can conclude that you don't have to worry about doing the dry wipe. Just spray some detergent on it and do it moist, do it wet straight away, save some time. And yeah, fantastic. I'll show you how I'm running this outside on my trusty EcoFlow River 2. Another reason why you should have a portable power station. So there we go. That was the window cleaning robot.